guys, it is August 3rd, 2020. Never got a call from a lady. I guess I fixed her air conditioner last week or something. Now she got a problem with the with the shower valve. Her husband tried to fix it. Now she thinks it needs to be replaced. Yep. I don't know. From what she was saying, it sounds like he kind of really mucked it up. We'll go by there and see what's going on with it. You better just call a professional in right away. Sometimes it can be an easy fix. You start hacking it all up. Now it's going to rip the wall apart. Change the whole valve. That's what it might be here. I don't know. One step at a time. Try not to get too worked up over anything. Yeah, so you're grabbing it with the pliers. So just shut the water off.
Yep.
And I can put a new spindle in there and a new handle. And we could do our thing, okay? That's an easy fix.
Perfect. Oh, good.
You got out lucky today. Maybe.
Well,
and the screw the screw broke off, huh?
Yep.
Alright. Water's off to the house, so we'll see if we get that off there. This is all stripped. Do it at the same time. Tighten this packing up a little bit here, see it? That'll make that tighter. He's got the water off. Handle, different handle. A little different look, but it will work. Good enough for this neighborhood. Guy tried to drill it out, looks like. Head must have broke off. Alright, we got nice hot water. Alright, when you're done, she had it on shower like this. When you're done with the shower, you should turn it on tub to drain the leg out. Because if not, it holds a charge and it'll think it's dripping, but it's actually holding the charge in the line. So when you're done, you want to put it to tub.
Always put it to tub.
To drain it, okay?
So every time you're done with the shower.
Yeah, you should put it to tub.
Okay.
So, I mean, yeah, luckily we're able to change parts from it. You're done with it. Hopefully it's...
So it's, yeah, what it was doing is you had a choice between an ice cold shower or hot, it wouldn't stick in one place.
Well, it will now. It should meet her now. Unless there's something to do with downstairs. No, we're getting warm. I mean, you could adjust it. We put a different spindle in there, so.